Guys, we're gonna summarize the ovation. Winter's just about over now, so it's time to put this away for the summer. Track off the ground, doesn't just hit nothing. We've got stabilizer, fuel treatment. We've got the key, so it's gonna be a little bit of a cold start video. So I'm gonna summarize it. Get off here. Take your stabilizer. Put about an ounce in it. 1 ounce straight to 2.5 gallon. Into the 5-something gallon tank. 5 point something. So that's 2.5 of it treated. And there's 5 of it treated. Now I don't know how good you guys can see this, because my camera doesn't take a very good video, but a little bit too much. There we go. Got another 1/2 ounce. Got that in there too. That's good and stabilized. Gas cap back down. Cap back on your bottle of stabilizer if you can get it on. Now, now it's frozen in. Alright, this is going to be an old ovation cold start. Choke. Choke. That's about it. I'll go put this on YouTube now.